Wala nagkuhan dito. Una.
Alright, Allied ABT versus Bulldogs. Playoffs 1-1.
Likod.
Out of bounds. ABT ball.
Inside lang ilang tres, di ba?
Sulod.
Kala pa ba yung pagkano?
Kuya.
Dreamliners?
Ano ba yun sino pa number 15 nakalimutan ko kasama mo? Si Kuya yung 15 number 15 na kasama mo.
Reggie?
Ha?
Reggie?
Oh, si Reggie. Sabi, ano pala yun? Nasabi ko sa'yo 45, ano pala 48 pala yun. Oh, nagtanong siya ilang
Sa rolls.
48 eh. Ilang 48 na dalawang 48 lang. Okay, so, pero yung 49 na mag-50 ngayon, pwede pa. Pero yung nag-49 lang, hindi pwede. Kung kaka-49. Oo, daw 49. Oo, yung 49 na mag-50 ngayong taon na to.
13 na yun, lagay. Doon sa
49, oh, 49, oh.
Sige.
Sige.
Okay, tama ba yun?
Pag meron kayong gustong i-present sa kanila, sabihin niya before end of the game. Kasi pag natapos na, hindi namin pwedeng mag-win o result. Basta before the game, or halftime ba, tapos sigin ko sila na ID.
So, dalawang
Dalawang 48, tapos pwede. Tapos,
Ilang 49?
49 na mag-50 ngayon. Na dapat mag-birthday ngayon na taon. Hindi yung kaka-49 na. Sige kasi kuya. Let's score naman.
3 to 3?
3. Inside.
5 to 3.
Inside. 3. Inside. Kuya Reggie. Thank you. Sino ba ang aning?
Paris 3 points. The birthday boy.
Katawa lagi.
Number 10, double team pass to number 8. No good. Looting on a rebound. Foul on number 15. First personal foul number 15. 2 free throws. throw, no good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Alright. Basket is good. Tie game. 6-all. Out of bounds, ABT. Christian, started by number 3. Pass to number 10, corner. Penny, number 10. Rebounds. Inside 3 tayo guys. Lincoln. Line pass, out of bounds. Bulldogs ball. Reggie running by number 10. Pass to number 3. Behind the back pass. To number 3. Pass to Harris. 2 points. Jeremiah, short. We got a substitution.
Okay.
Reggie for 3. Number 10, Joel Team. This is the ball. Pass to number 21,
Alex is on.
Number 3. Pass to number 7. To number 4, short. Christian loses the ball. Harris, Alex. Long 3, basket is good. 14-9 in favor of Bulldogs. Time remaining 12 minutes of the first half. Kenny, too strong. Number 4 has the rebound. Pass to Harris. Harris. 3 points. Timeout, ABT. Score 17-9 Bulldogs.
Dua berapa kapareha dong?
Pwede.
Pwede daw. Basket. 2 points. So si 20. Ito shot, 20.
Puno kay parkingan.
Points number 18.
Okay.
Alex back to Harris. Reggie. Reggie bounce pass. 2 points from Harris. Timeout Bulldogs. One timeout each. One timeout left for each team. Fine shoot. Two points, Vision. Number 11, pass to number 27, guarded by Christian. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 7, and there's a whistle. Substitution.
Foul si... Kisa na foul din? 21.
Second team foul.
Third.
Third.
Third team foul?
Tulo na. Sa side rin.
Sa
ABT.
tulo na sa ABT.
Basket is good.
21.
21.
Doa. Masulot.
Number 20, pass to number 00, number 21. No good. 21 with a rebound. 8 to shoot.
Oy.
2 points. Out of bounds. 8 minutes and 20 seconds left of the first half. Substitution. Alex out, number 3 in. 19 seconds on the shot clock. Number 24, looking for teammates. Pass to Aris. Aris, 2 points.
Makalikaw ni.
Matay mo gani. Jambahan sila ba? Matay. Hila.
Vincent Novo, rebound number 3. same ball position. 15 seconds left, 15 to shoot. Number 24, guarded by number 00. 24. Out of bounds, same ball. 9 seconds to shoot, 9 seconds to shoot. Same ball position, 4.4 seconds. 4.4. Good save, hindi pumasok. Number 20, pass on number 18. Drive, jump shot, 2 wide.
A goal!
Loses the ball, rebound 11.
A goal!
Another turnover. 2 points, tie game. Back-to-back score for number 23. Harris! No good. Rebound number 20. Thompson jump shot, 2.
Patay na sila.
Timeout, Bulldogs.
0 na, no timeout na kayo ha.
Patay na sila.
No more timeouts for Bulldogs. 1 more timeout for ABT. All right, back to the ball game.
Nadala ba na ako? Pinsa ko ito Nikos Ganidama at ang Aryo na rin.
Sira.
Number 11, guarded by number 21. Back to Aries. 2 points, no good. Foul on number 8.
13 foul na nila.
13 foul.
Second pa, second.
Tulo-tulo na nandiyan.
Number 0 guarded by number 5. That's 10 seconds to shoot. Going number 3. Long pass. Foul on number 8. Substitution.
Upat na foul sa kuan. Bulldogs. Kaduha to number 8 dyan.
Number 8, dalawa.
Tres mo na akong
Tres pa yun. Sige.
Upat na to dyan.
3 na ito. Tres na oh.
3-3 man ako.
3-3. Matay.
3-1.
Diha nagipatay sila oh.
Four minutes. Number 4. Basket is good.
0-0.
Foul on White. Substitution.
Sap-sap.
Yeah.
Kinsa yung foul ato dyan?
0-0.
0-0?
0-0.
Ah,
Ningon siya 8. Diba ito yun?
26-27. ABT 1 point lead. Number 8. No good rebound. Number 15, Reggie to Aris. Aris, the pass to Alex. Alex, wala. Rebound number 20. Third pass to Reggie. Reggie almost loses the ball. Rebound number 15. Turnover. Number 20, wala. Rebound number 15. Pass to Alex. To Aris. Wala. Tumalikod pa. 2 points from number 8. Put back to James Raver. Bulldogs up by 1. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Turnover. Alex to Aris. Spin move. In and out. Wala pa rin. Alex.
Time out sila siya.
2 points. Timeout, ABT. No more timeouts for both teams.
Treinta ba? 31? 30 na? 30-27. Lingit bola.
Oh?
Balik na.
We're back to the ball game.
Pareho na yung rebound.
Ha?
Pareho na yung dagko.
Paras may gago ba?
Una sila.
Rudy. No good. Rebound, Kenny. Bounce pass to Rudy. 2 points, number 8. Foul.
Kapila na yung number 8 dyan.
Tulo.
Third personal foul on number 8. Fourth team foul.
Tatlo na.
3.
Bonus roll ready for rebound. No good. Rebound number 8. Harris has the ball. Bulldogs still leading by 1 point. 1 minute and 15. Out. Pass to number 8. Back to us. 10 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. Number 8. Fake pass. Pass to Kenny. Kenny. Pass to number 10. Short. You got a rebound, number 8. Jeremiah. Turnover. Alex now has the ball. Libreng libre. 2 points. 35 seconds. Number 8. Short. Rebound, Rudy. Rudy guarded by number 15. Rudy. Wala pa rin. Rudy, pull back. Wala. 21. Number 8. Pass to Alex. Another free shot from Alex. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Long three. All right, end of the first half. Our score, 29-34, Bulldogs, 5 points.
Delicates, mare.
Delikado.
Sampai lah next game. Ay, next game. Okay.
Makapasok yan. Kusa rin naman. Danap. Kasi alas 12 gani. Ha?
dula silang Edgar Ane kay playoff naman.
Oh, nila.
Wa na sila.
Modulas Edgar di siya kadulas kauban.
Oo.
Alright.
Alright. Let's start our second and final half. Our score 29-34. 5-point game, Bulldogs. Next game will be Tri-J versus Tigers. Jeremiah, pass to number 21, double team. Jeremiah, corner 2, no good. Rebound, Reggie. Pass to number 3. Clarice. 3 points. Kenny has the ball. Kenny. Pass to Jeremiah. Guarded by number 15. Turn around. About 10 seconds to shoot. Jeremiah, 8 seconds. Christian has the ball. 2 points. Number 3 now has the ball. Standing off his teammate. Reggie. Pass to Alex. Alex, let's do this. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 4. Alex. And there's a whistle. Foul number 20.
Kapilan niya to, Jail?
20.
First personal foul, first team foul. Out of bounds, ABT. Christian has the ball. Guarded by Aris. Kenny! Wala! Who got the rebound? Kenny again. Jump shot. No good. Kenny again. Another wide shot. Wala. Christian. Loses the ball. Kenny has the ball. And there's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 4.
Kapilan na niya, Jail? Una?
Third on jersey number 4. First team foul. Kenny first free throw is good.
Second shot.
Kuya, tatlo na si Kura.
Time out. Time out. Bulldogs.
Arman!
Ref.
Rep.
Arman! Arman! 2 timeouts, 2-3. 2-3 yan.
Alright, back to the ball game. 2 timeouts left for Bulldogs. 2 timeouts for Bulldogs. 3 timeouts left for ABT. Alright, number 2 has the ball, guarded by number 20. Double team.
Goal.
8 seconds violation.
May nitabang.
Na. Puros gauna.
Christian, pass to Jeremiah. No good. Rebound Aris. Bulldogs ball, Bulldogs. Out of bounds. Kenny. Guarded by number 2, Conrad. Pass to number 21 to number 20. Pump fake. Bounce pass. Out of bounds. 32-37. Bulldogs. Number 4.
Oh.
Conrad. Guarded by number 20. Half-court violation.
Sub.
Substitution.
Ano na backward?
Rudy. Layup, in and out. Rebound, Conrad. Reggie, recover the ball. Pass to Harris. Low three. Short. Rebound, Reggie. Nakagawan. Sayang na sayang. Kenny to number 20.
Diharam.
Jump shot. 2 balls.
Diharay patun sila.
Dugi kaya sila momentuman.
Oh.
Ayun pala ng oras.
Reggie guarded by Christian.
No.
Another turnover. Christian, easy layup. Wala! Rebound, number 7. Pass to Conrad. Drive, stop, and a foul. Foul jersey number 22. Basket is good. One free throw.
Second personal dyan? Oh.
Second personal foul. Bonus throw no good.
Apoy. Kayo.
So lalakas. Substitution.
Pila na dyan? 35 dyan? 34? 35.
35. Sub-in. Score check 35-39. Bulldogs by 4 points.
No.
Turnover.
Anak mo ikipak. Tay. Anak to ipasunog.
Foul number 7.
1. Kasi 1. Wala, may 1.
Sab.
Substitution 7.
Pila niya dyan? Pat first.
Number 7, that's your 4th personal foul. Second team foul.
First.
Oh, first personal foul pa rin.
Una pa rin. Ano sa tunay lang? Si 8. Sorry, shoot.
Saraw.
Alright, guarded by number 28.
Kawan.
Alex. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 8, libre. 36-41, 5-point game. Bulldogs.
Oy, bakod. Tay, wow.
Foul on number 2. 13 foul.
Kusog ang ganda yung magarihan. Ako!
Rudy, libre. Bumawi, 2 points. 38-41. 3-point game. Alex, guarded by number 10. Alex, spin move. Pass to Aris. Guarded by number 18, Aris. Lays it in. Wala. Number 8, put back 2. Paso. 43. Timeout. 38-43. 5-point game.
11 minutes. Sige na.
All right. Our score 38-43, 5-point game. Time remaining 11 minutes and 34 seconds. Number 8 has the ball. Guarded by Aris. Number 8 stops. Pass to number 21. Loses the ball. Bulldogs turn. Bulldogs turn. Alex. Running three. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Aris. To Alex. Balik kay Aris. Libre. Jersey number 5. One free throw. Free throw no good. Rebound number 8. Number 4 has the ball. Aris guarded by Christian. Aris drives. Side step. Out of bounds. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds. Aris. To Alex. Alex, pump fake. Wala. Passes number 4.
Bugay kay ipasa.
6 seconds.
Sayop.
Foul. Ball on number 5.
Second yan, Jai. First. Duha na siya na foul, Jai. Actually. Duha na foul kanina. Yan itong kanina, Jai. Yan itong kanina. Foul foul din. Oh, number 5.
Basket. Basket.
Second throw ready for rebound. Basket is good. Substitution. Alex has the ball. 42-46, 4-point game, Bulldogs. 8 minutes and 50. Over to Reggie.
Foul.
Pass. And there's a whistle. Foul number 16.
Una pa to niya, Jai.
Yeah.
First personal 13. Foul. Alex, guarded by Solaris. Short. And a foul on number 3. 16 foul.
Ay,
Nga gipasahan ikaw nako.
Ay, kulang mo. Sila Jai. Stop daw. Bunot kinagula kanina.
Laglag na sila.
Di ba na kay ipasahan ka nako?
Nah, nagsalig mo ko. Ano ang fix na ko may dugay may maabot. Isa kadlaw ba ang dugay? Yawa ni company ko.
Cellphone na nimo bay ka.
Basket is good. Second shot. Ready for rebound.
Nag-call nga ko, nag-reply na kayo dahil ko. Pero,
Second throw, no good. Number 8, wala pa rin. Nung ka na rebound, Christian. Put back to. Basket is good. 1-point game. Alex. Basket is good. Tough shot from Aris. 45-48, 7 minutes. Number 18 guarded by number 15. Lose the ball. Pass to number 22, Kenny. Rudy has the ball now. Double team. Number 8. Guarded by 15. Wrong pass. 3. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Kenny, babawi kaya? 3 points. Kenny with an answer. 3-point play. Alex guarded by Kenny. To Reggie. Reggie. Mirandres. Wala. Rebound 21. Christian has the ball. Christian. Wow. Foul on number 11. Substitution.
17 fouls.
Warning for penalty, Bulldogs. That's your 7th team foul. Jeremiah loses the ball. Kuha na yun Alex. Pass to number 15, Reggie. To number 3, back to Reggie. To Aris. Spin move block. To Christian.
Sayot kung pagkakuha na.
To Rudy. And foul.
Penalty.
2 free throws. Foul on number 3.
Pila niya?
Stop.
Kapila niya dyan?
3? 2.
Second personal on number 3. That's 18 foul. Rudy, 2 points. Two for Rudy. Timeout, Bulldog. Score 50-51. 1 timeout left for Bulldogs. Back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Reggie now has the ball. Bounce pass to number 3. Number 3 drives to Aris. Jump shot. Paso! 53-50.
4 minutes and 40. Ang oras wala na start.
Natingong buko.
Harris to Reggie. Number 3. Floater. 2. Timeout.
Minusan ni
Minusan
Okuan.
na point. Pila ka seconds.
5 points.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Yeah. Minus.
10 seconds.
Pila ka seconds na.
Mga 15 seconds ito.
Diri?
Okay na. Okay, sige. Sige daw. Sige pa. 4-10. Okay na.
Kuya. Magkaparehas sila ng damit eh. Pag humingi ulit ko ng bola,
Hindi pa. May isa pa sila. No. 1 player, so 2.
hindi parehas ng damit. Napansin mo kanina humingi ng
2-1.
bola para sa parehas ko din.
Okay.
Pinasahan ng kalaban.
Sorry, Arman. Next call is warning.
All right, back to the ball game. Time remaining 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 50-55 Bulldogs. Christian has the ball. To Kenny. Long three. Wala. Who got a rebound? Rudy for 2. To 3-point game. Bulldogs. Number 4. Out of bounds.
Labaw sila throughout the game.
Number 20. Drives. Wild shot. Wala. Rebound number 11.
Agoy,
To Aris.
agoy.
Aris stops and pops. Short. Reggie. Hindi na recover ang bola. Christian has the ball now. Guarded by Aris. Foul on number 5. Penalty.
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 Pangilan na ni Aris? Pangilan ni Aris?
Penalty.
2 minutes.
Duha.
Second personal on Aris. Second shot, ready for rebound.
Wala!
Wala pa rin! Sino naka-rebound? Number 15. Foul on Rudy.
16? Kapila na.
Wala pa, 4 fouls pa, 4 fouls.
Fourth team foul on ABT. 52-55, 3-point game. Last 2 minutes. Out of bounds, same ball. 1 minute and 50. 1 minute and 50. 3-point game, Bulldogs. Harris. 10 to shoot. Nakakuha na Alawan. Number 20. Nagmamadali. Number 20. Turnover? Wala. Double team. Number 20. Libre. 2 points. 54-51. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Harris. Green no good. Rebound number 4. Back to Harris. To number 3. 10 seconds. And there's a whistle on number 20. 15 foul. ABT 15 foul. 7 seconds to shoot. Sorry, reset to 14. It's a foul, so reset to 14. And there's a holding foul. 16 foul. 16 foul.
2 more.
2 more bago mag-penalty. 54-55. 1 minute and 19. Aris nakawala! Block by Rudy. Christian. Libre. 2 points, Christian. Change favor. Reggie now has the ball. Same ball position. 56-55. 1 minute and 9 seconds.
Shot clock yun.
Shot clock, 14.
20.
20 seconds to shoot. 20 to shoot. Loses the ball. Puka the ball.
Hotel na lupig noong sila.
And wow. Penalty. Holding foul. Penalty. 56-55. ABT 1-point game. Penalty. 1 minute and 1 second. Substitution. What a close game.
Labaw sila throughout. Bali pagod pagkalas. 2 minutes.
First free throw no good. Second throw ready for rebound. Ready for rebound. Free throw is good. 2-point game. ABT up by 2. 1 minute. Ten seconds. Number 4. 2 points. Wala. Lima. Rudy. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Christian. 2 points. 25.6 seconds.
Shoot lang.
Rebound Alex. 15 seconds.
Shot clock's off.
Shot clock is off. Arrow. 9.8 seconds. Timeout, timeout. Timeout, ABT. 59-55.
Coach. 14 daw.
Alright, back to the ball game. 9.8 seconds left. 9.8 seconds left. 55-59 ABT 4-point game. Foul. Penalty.
Fourth ball.
Substitution, sub. Subs.
Meron na pa? Na-check? Naisa.
Basket is good. Second throw, ready for rebound.
Timeout.
Timeout, Bulldogs. 8.5 seconds left. 6-point game. Pwede pa to, pwede pa. 6-point game, dalawang tres lang.
Di pa.
Dalawa pa.
Dalawa pa.
2 fouls to game for ABT.
Absent ka na ito.
Ang option pag bumuka.
Sige, labahan to. Last 2 minutes.
Alright, back to the ball game. What a turnover. Alright, that's it. Congratulations to both teams. Bulldogs, congratulations ABT. You're moving to the next round. Semifinals next week. Maraming salamat Team Bulldogs. What a performance. Thank you so much. Next game. Nova Tigers versus J Renovation. YG Reno, our defending champion, versus the Tigers.
Lunch break.
Asa tong cameraman?
Kasi,
Camera 18 daw, 18.
Ako na picture.
Ha? Lagi. Asa man kami karim